Go. Don't really hit each other.
Sorry.
Go. Use some of those karate moves you learned, Julian. Kevin, wrestle with him. Learn, do your karate. That was a good one, Julian. Do that again. Come over here and do it again. Come here and do that move again, Julian. Do that move to him again.